Okay, what's your say of Wayne, bitch, please?
Huh?
What's your way of saying bitch, please?
Bitch, please. Bitch, please.
Okay, let me ask Charles. Charles, what's your way of saying bitch, please?
Bitch, please. No, it's bitch, please. I'm just kidding. I don't say bitch, please. I don't say bitch, please. I say George, please.
You know what's better? Motherfucking Charles, please.
That is so stupid. That is so... No, game over.
Game over. I win.
You're out.
I win. I win. You know what?
What did you place? What did you place?
What did you place? 2 feet? 2 feet?
Yeah, that's what I told.
Oh, never mind. 2 centimeters.
Yes.
2 centimeters.
Yes.
2 centimeters. World's shortest distance jump.
No, 2 centimeters is too long.
2 nanometers. 2 nanometers.
Can you believe it?
That's my shortest step. 2 nanometers. So hard.
But he is.
I break a sweat. Chicken wow wow.
No, it's brown chicken, brown cow.
Brown chicken wow wow. What a fag.
Is it?
What a fake.
What a gap.
What?
Gap. G-A-F.
What an agate. Agate.
You know
This is like best friends fighting for them.
fighting.
Hey, cut.
Well, not fighting.
If you want to see fighting, you won't see it from this. Yeah, you gotta actually go to like the actual studio.
Oh, and he has to look down on his pants? Oh, yeah, you look down at your pants when you fight. Wow, that's nice.
See, look at this.
I still think I have more balls than you.
You have more balls than me?
Yeah.
You're a man?
Yeah. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera.
Man. She's a man.
They're imaginary.
You just said she's a man.
Hey, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, maybe you're more than a man than he is, but it's okay.